Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. Hope you are doing well. So today is 2nd December and day 2 of Advent of Cyber 3rd is out. So let's check out that. So day 2 task 7, which is web exploitation elf HR problems. So let's see the story. Max Kider needs to check if any other employee elves have left or have been affected by Grinch Industries attack, but the systems that hold the employee information have been hacked. Can you hack them back to determine if the other teams in the best festival company have been affected? This Grinch Industries are so much troublesome. They keep coming in the way of Santa. So learning objectives of this room. So we will learn about web servers and how the web communicates, what cookies are and what are their purposes, and how we can manipulate the cookies and use for malicious purposes. So there are some basic terms like HTTPS, example request of HTTPS, the request we made to web servers. When sending data to a web server, it is common to use the post method, such as using sending login information. And while retrieving information from the web server, it is common to use the get method, such as uploading a profile picture. So a sample example request and example response is given. You can check it out if you are a complete beginner. So below there is about cookies. These are tiny pieces of data or metadata or information locally stored on our computer that are sent to the server when you make a request. Okay, components of a cookie are given here. Cookies are made up of 11 different components. We can find explanation of each component here. Okay, let's go to our question part. So first is open the static site in the new tab here. Okay, so again we are given a static site. Okay, we are done with first task. Now register an account and verify the cookies using the developer tools in your browser. So we need to register an account here. We don't have credentials, so obviously we need to register. Let's sign up. Okay, create account. Uh-oh, you don't have permission to register an account currently. Please contact an administrator for more assistance. So okay, we are done with registering an account, and now next it says to verify the cookies using the developer tools in your browser. What is the name of the new cookie that was created for your account? Okay, so we need to go to our developer tools. So you can go by right click, inspect, application, cookies. Okay, so we need to know what is the name of the new cookie that was created. So it looks like user auth. Let's try this. Whoop whoop, current answer is correct. Next, what encoding type was used for the cookie value? So this is the cookie value. Let's copy this. Now I will go to CyberChef to decode this. Okay, magic options tell it is hex. So probably the answer would be hexadecimal. Cool. Now what object format is the data of the cookie stored in? So data of our cookie is company, the best festival company is registered true, and username, the username I gave. So it is in the dictionary form, which is mainly JSON format. So answer must be JSON. Okay. Next, manipulate the cookie and bypass the login portal. Now we need to manipulate our cookie and change the username to admin, which will give access to administrator cookie. Okay. Let's change our username to admin. And since it was encoded in hexadecimal, so we need to change it in hexadecimal without space. Okay, so this is our new cookie. What is the value of administrator cookie? Let's try this. Okay, we got it. Now what team environment is not responding? So now I think we should log in into our page. So let's change the cookie value. Now we will enter our administrator cookie. Now let's refresh our page. Okay, it's still not giving us permission. So let's try going back. Oh, okay. In some cases, refresh doesn't work. So just we can go back, which is our cookie page. So I don't think we need this now. So what team environment is not responding? So it has to be either of one, finance, HR, or application. If we see hint, it says indicated by the red status symbol. So here HR is indicated by red status. So let's try HR. Okay. Now next question, what team environment has a network warning? Now it has either to it has to be finance or application. You can try any of those. If you see the hint, it will say indicated by a yellow status symbol. So here application is indicated by yellow status symbol, so our answer must be application. Okay, so we are done with our day 2. If you want to learn more about authentication bypasses, you can try the room authentication bypass. The premium room. Okay, so that's it for the day 2. I will see you tomorrow in day 3 task.